Hi, and welcome to your quick sentence builder video lesson. In this series, we will do a short video on one of the most common English verbs. We will learn its meaning and then use it to build some sentences. We will make this a quick bite-sized lesson, so grab your notebook and let's get started. Today's word is move. Here is a picture of an animal moving. Here is move in many languages. Pause the video and find yours. Move means to go in a specific direction or manner, to change position. Move. Past progressive was moving, past moved. Present progressive, moving, present, move, future, will move. Let's build a sentence. We moved. Today, we will use the past tense. Let's build a sentence. We moved. What? What did we move? We moved our furniture. Let's build a sentence. We moved our furniture. Where? Where did we move it? We moved our furniture to the truck. Let's build a sentence. We moved our furniture to the truck. Why? Why did we move it to the truck? So we can move. Oh. We moved our furniture to the truck so we can move. Now let's build a sentence. We moved our furniture to the truck so we can move. Where? Where did we move? To our new apartment. So we can move to our new apartment. Let's build a sentence. We moved our furniture to the truck so we can move to our new apartment. Where? Where is our new apartment? In Shenzhen, China. Whoa! We moved to China. See how we built a sentence. This is why I want you all to think about the question words. Who, what, where, when, why, how, and which. These questions make the details that build great sentences. We add them where we can put more information. I hope you enjoyed this quick sentence builder. In about 3 minutes, you made a great sentence. So keep up the good work.